What's up, guys? Tenx. Gonna talk about a little Tenx and about GameStop here, real quick. So Tenx is one that people have been. Obviously, I called that out. Me and another YouTuber actually just maybe a little bit out of sheer coincidence. We're talking about this about 2 weeks ago. We ran into the whole banking situation, and that did a number on a lot of stocks. Something that I guess people didn't understand is that, I don't know, the financial system had been. We were basically told the sky was falling. Yeah, they were still expecting Tenx to just pump out of nowhere. So it originally pumped, okay? We saw this. Originally pumped all the way to 82 cents from, we were in this thing low, like 50s, 40s. Okay, we were in this pretty low. It pumped all the way up to 82 cents. Sold most of my shares up there. Had a very small position I let go of today because I've been a little bit depressed. Had to let a pet go on Friday, so I didn't care really about the market or anything, so to speak. It hit 66 cents today, guys, and this could still just be brewing, okay? Right at close, they managed to bring it to, right at close of after hours, they managed to bring it to 48 EMA. The cost of borrow is still nice and high, right? At, 1 second here. I think it's 130% pretty much, 127%, right? With a very bullish sentiment. There was a bull bear sentiment on it of 100%. They got, it's not why we got in the play to begin with at all. It was just a CTB squeeze, but they did get a U.S. patent today. Okay, so that helps move the stock. They have a price target from the analyst of over $6. They have a price target from Fintel of something mental. It's like $70, guys. But I mean, if you look at this stock, it's kind of weird. If you look at the stock, look at the price. This is just a 5-year, $238. Here's a 10-year. Let's go with a 1 month. So a 10-year, 1 month, guys, it's like $30,000. It's a very, it's really odd. But again, that is why I got in it in the first place. It had some really weird highs back when it, first hit the market. 5 years on a therapeutic company, guys, that's not long. It might take years to develop, years in trial before they could finally bring a product to market, right? So, 5 years ago of $135, that $75 price target doesn't look so bad. When you start looking at these levels. To me, it was the 200 EMA, right? The 200 EMA of $5, that makes a lot of sense to want to head towards that, especially when they're getting news like patents and this could very well be a long hold. The only problem is the landmines at 130 and the landmines, at 180 and the landmines at 225. And what I mean by that are the warrants, okay? So it's good to see it's coming back. It's good to see. I'll probably, have some positive messages coming my way from that. At this point, literally, once again, everyone in the play essentially should be green. So if you've been contemplating getting out, hopefully you've taken some profits and done so. If you are more bullish, you would have loaded even more. But by and large, trading is up to you guys. You guys have to hit buy. You have to hit sell. It's up to you. So make sure that when a play like this is presented to you, you're taking responsibility for your entries and your exits. Only thing I can do is discuss it in a video, and then we have the Discord where we've been discussing it live all day, in the Tenx channel, right? We have various channels. I'll be adding a GameStop channel now. But I've got a ton of channels here. There's 500 members almost at this point. So, it's growing strong. I'm going to be doing less content on YouTube because of a $1.33. That's why I have 130 stuck in my brain. Because of this $1.33 I made resharing a simple TikTok, they've demonetized me until at least June. So if they're not gonna pay me to show up to work, they're still running ads on all my content, guys. I actually can't even turn them off. Before I could turn ads off and not force you to watch it. So now I don't even have that option. If they're gonna do that to me, why would I come and work day in, day out for free? I'm gonna be streaming live on Rumble. I'm gonna be looking at possibly duo live streaming, so it'll stream to Rumble and to YouTube with StreamYard. I'm going to look into that. StreamYard really bogs my system down, though, for some reason, so I'll have to look into it. But yeah, so I mean, I'm still there in my Discord. I'm still around. I'm not going to be going anywhere. I'm just not going to be uploading 4 or 5 or 6 videos a day like I used to do. I mean, my last video was 2 days ago. I barely wanted to do this. I want to send info out there. But, you know, I'm not going to be getting reach because I'm not monetized, so I'm less important to them. And I mean, they're not, it's a one-way street, hardcore here. So I'm not really down with that. I would not show up to work and they were like, we're not giving you a paycheck. Put in 3 months of work and then we'll let you know if you have a job when you're done. This ain't an internship, YouTube. I've already been doing this for a year. You know, it's not right. It's not fair. So moving on. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm just going to end the video asking you to like, comment, subscribe, share the content. Much appreciated. I don't have Weeble. If you want to share it to the Weeble chats, that'd be great. Here is my Discord link. It's also located in the description below. It used to be a link that would take you to Discord, and then I'd ask you to sign up. But we're just going to skip the process. You'll either choose this one over here, which is the standard monthly, or you'll choose the premium. If you want to DM me, it also provides free access to the weekend classes that I run. I don't run them every weekend, but I do run them frequently. Sometimes Saturday mornings, like around noon Eastern, and sometimes in the evenings as well. We kind of split it up, see what people are feeling. And those are Q&As, charting, all sorts of that stuff. So this will be the screen you see. You hit the upgrade button. It'll ask you for PayPal or credit card. Okay, this is Stripe Payment Services. This is a massive payment network. Okay, it's very widely known. Literally all of Rumble uses it as well. It's become an alternative payment method for a lot of people. There's a degree of separation there, so I'm never going to get your payment information. I'm never going to get your credit information. I'm never going to get your address or any of that stuff. Okay, so it's got some anonymity for you. It's got some protection for you. So I just wanted to throw that out there. 500 members and growing, guys. Hope to see some new faces in there. Free.